It's entirely up to the person himself to decide. And it's a difficult decision because sometimes the allopathic treatment interferes with the homeopathic treatment, and if I know exactly what they are giving, only then I can decide. For instance, if somebody has thickening of blood with the result that it is possible for such a person to build a clot in the bloodstream, such clots sometimes appear and damage the heart. The allopathic doctors immediately give such patients some drugs which thin the blood, and if the blood sometimes it's thinned so much that it may start leaking out of any ulcers or anywhere in the brain or anywhere. Now, if on the top of that you give homeopathic treatment, which also is anti-clotting, then the collective effect can be very damaging. So whenever I hear of somebody being treated allopathically for blood clotting, I always advise them not to take homeopathy until they are finished with it. After a while, then they can start homeopathy. So there are instances where they can clash with each other. There are other instances where they may not clash with each other. And there, I require the patient to decide for himself. I never advise, because it's a grave matter of responsibility. I don't want to take that responsibility. It's up to him to discontinue the other treatment or not to discontinue. Dua is so, yes, sir.
If I may translate the question in English first. The question was that we do take medicine from our GP back home, and when we send to Hazur for prayers, out of kindness, Hazur also sends some homeopathic medicine as well. So he wants to know, shall we take both medicine or just one?